Right now I'll show you how you can easily merge or edit video professionally using your iPhone. First of all, you have to install iMovie app in your iPhone. So if you don't have iMovie, then go to App Store and here search for iMovie, and all you have to need, install this iMovie app in your iPhone. Once done, go ahead and launch the iMovie app, and once you are in iMovie homepage, here tap on movie, and now from your gallery select those videos you want to merge. So here I'm selecting 2 videos, and then just tap on create movie, and then all of your selected video clips will be add into this timeline. And here, as you can see, I've already merged 2 videos. So once your selected clips will be imported, those clips will be automatically merged in this timeline. You don't need to do anything else. Now to export or save this video, just tap on done and tap on share icon and tap on save or share video. And to change your video resolution, tap on option, and now from here you will be change your video resolution, and tap on done and just tap on save video. And as you can see, the video is exporting and it may take some time to export the video. Once the video exported, go to your Photos app, and here you will find the video that we just merged using the iMovie app. And here we can see the first clip, and this is the second video clip. If this video helped you out, please leave a like and leave a comment down below. Thank you for watching.